Hello mga kakwento, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lore business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So first of all, quick note again, this episode is recorded kasi I'm still away for a big project. Nangangampanya pa rin ako. So, but don't worry, even if I'm not live, my heart is still here, sharing stories that remind you you are not alone on your journey. So, tonight's kwento is about something we all need, especially when life gets heavy, which is hope. Sometimes because sometimes holding on feels hard, but letting go of hope feels even harder. So, when there were seasons in my life when everything felt uncertain, parang kahit anong gawin mo, things just don't move the way you want. You give your best, you wait, you pray, and still silence. But during those moments, I used to ask, Lord, kailan pa ba? But slowly, I realized silence doesn't mean nothing's happening. Sometimes it's in the waiting that God is working. I remember one moment when I almost gave up on my dream. I felt stuck as if doors were already closing one by one. But instead, of walking away, I chose to pause, to breathe, and hold on to the promise that the best is yet to come. And you know what? That season of waiting led me to something far better than what I was praying for. And I didn't see it then, but now I understand. Delays are not denials, and they are divine redirections. So if you are in the space right now where nothing seems clear, please don't lose hope. Maybe this chapter isn't about success yet. Maybe it's about strengthening your faith. Because the truth is, your story isn't done yet. The best pages are still unwritten. So tonight, as you sip your coffee, I want you to whisper this to yourself. The best is yet to come. So no matter how hard it's been, trust that's what ahead is worth the wait. The same God who carried you through the storm is already preparing the sunshine after that. So keep showing up, keep believing, keep hoping, because when you least expect it, you will look back and say, this is what he was preparing me for. So thank you for joining me tonight at my Kape at Kwento Series 83. The best is yet to come. So even if this episode is recorded, I hope that it feels like I'm still here with you. So sharing hope one sip at a time. So till next time, mga kakwento, stay hopeful, stay faithful, and stay grateful. So tonight, um, sorry. So tomorrow, my not tomorrow because to Friday, my next live will be on Sunday. I will have a very, very special guest. So watch out for it. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode, which will be on this coming Sunday. So bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more about the business, you may direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.